Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy flower border. So let's get started. Attach my yarn, lock it in, and that will take the place of the first single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's the equivalent of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stitch to join in the first chain down here at the end. And that's going to form a loop, and we're going to work into that loop. So chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Single crochet in that loop. We're going to do that 6 times. So that's 1. So 1, 2, 3, single crochet. 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 So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in that very first stitch. So that's your first flower. Now you're going to turn your work and work 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to do the same thing. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in that first stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Single crochet in that loop. Repeat to make 6 of these petals. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in that very same stitch. And continue on. 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I've worked until I'm close to the corner, and so as you're getting close to the corner, you adjust the stitches in between so that you can evenly space in between each flower until you get to the corner. So there's my corner stitch, and I only have 3, so I'm just going to go ahead and work in the 3. 1, 2, and 3. If I only had 2 here, I would back up and only skip 3 here. And I'm going to make my corner 1. I've chained 5, slip stitch to join in that first stitch, chain 3, and turn, single crochet in the loop. I'm going to repeat that to have 6 petals. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in that stitch, and then just continue on. 4 single crochet, and then go ahead and chain 5 and make your next flower. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this easy flower border. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.